Hello all, welcome to fourth session of first unit of basic psychological processes, modern perspective of psychology, evolutionary and sociocultural perspective. Learning objective, students will be able to learn the influence of culture on society, the role of heredity in general mental strategies and traits. Session outcome, students understood about the society and culture, understood the role of social psychology and cultural psychology. Sociocultural perspective. The sociocultural perspective actually combines two areas of study. Social psychology, which is the study of groups, social roles and rules of social actions and relationships, and cultural psychology, which is the study of cultural norms, values and expectations. These two areas are related in that they are both about the effect that people have on one another, either individually or in a larger group such as a culture. The sociocultural perspective is important because it reminds people that the way they and others behave or even think is influenced not only by whether they are alone, with friends, in a crowd or part of a group, but also by the social norms, fads, class differences and ethnic identity concerns of the particular culture in which they live. Cross-cultural research also fits within this perspective. In cross-cultural research, comparisons of a behavior or issue are studied in at least two or more cultures. This type of research can help to understand the different influences of environment when compared to the influence of heredity. In a classic study, Darley and Latney found that the presence of other people actually lessened the chances that a person in trouble would receive help. The phenomenon is called the bystander effect, and it is believed to be the result of diffusion of responsibility, which is the tendency to feel that someone else is responsible for taking action when others are present. Evolutionary perspective. The evolutionary perspective focuses on the biological basis for universal mental characteristics that all humans share. It seeks to explain general mental strategies and traits such as why we lie, how attractiveness influences mate selection, why fear of snakes is so common, or why people universally like music and dancing. In this perspective, the mind is seen as a set of information processing machines. For example, evolutionary psychologists would view the human behavior of not eating substances that have a bitter taste, such as poisonous plants, as an adaptive behavior that evolved as early humans came into contact with such bitter plants. Session summary. In sociocultural perspectives, two areas are related in that they are both about the effect that people have on one another, either individually or in a larger group such as a culture, The evolutionary perspective focuses on the biological basis for universal mental characteristics that all humans share. Thank you.